Hello, everyone, and welcome to the live trading room recap for Wednesday, April the 5th. My name is Barry Anderson, the moderator of your trading room. This is the address to get in, and the room is open between, usually start sharing my screen around quarter to 9, maybe 10 to 9. Get live on the mic at 9 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Time, of course, and I go up to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Well, really, Callie, again, if you saw the video yesterday, you know that I was all over this one. I sold a lot yesterday, and I decided to hold. I'm in at 210 right here. There's my buy at 210. Decided to hold it. It held. It did look like it was trying to hold that 3 level, so I decided to hold it. And look at this. I mean, it has just really exploded again. So I'm up well over $2. $2.20, 30 cents on 40 cents on this one right now. So this is turning out to be just a great, great little swing trade. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Yeah, so it is now. I mean, this is awesome. I mean, this has cleared all this. This is the reason we get into these sort of trades, though. We saw this one a couple of days ago. I said, let's watch it. We saw it yesterday. It broke two, and now look at this. I mean, this is just. Let me just back this out a little bit more. Not sure what we're going to see now. Yeah, it's a little. There's a little choppiness around here, but at this point, this is just a great, great, great trade, great percentage move. A lot of people in the room are in this one. Now, I'm also in this one right now, SORL. This was from Holly. Now, interestingly, same sector, auto parts, and it's China. Now, a lot of these China stocks are really moving. The Chinese premiers in, I guess, the States this week with the president, and this was earnings. This day right here was earnings, and obviously the market liked it to a certain extent. I mean, it popped up here and it really traded off. Didn't do too much around here, and Holly actually alerted this one at $4.03. I got in at 409. Get to the 5-minute chart. I got in right here. Well, that's close enough. 410. 409 actually. And it kind of popped around a little bit. Four was probably going to be my get out of town, but it didn't break down through that. But look what happened. I mean, all of a sudden it just exploded. So now it's pulling back a little bit. It's a possibility I'm going to swing this one. If we look at the daily on it, not quite. It's not bad. I mean, especially if it can clear this again. See how it got up to that level and it just didn't quite get through. A little bit choppy here, but it still has some room, maybe to $5. So I'll have to see, especially if it closes near the high. I might swing. If I do swing, I'll more than likely I'll sell some though, so I can hold on. And let's see, what else did I do? NIOT did something I don't often do. Get to the time frame, the 5-minute time frame for NIOT. So a lot of activity in the pre-market. This pink shaded area is the pre-market activity. They had some patent news, and so we were watching this one. And I watched this on the pullback, and then as it started moving through and taking out this high, I literally said in the room, I'm going to watch to see if this takes out the high here, high of the pre-market. And when it did that, I decided to take the trade. I got in at, well, actually it says 232, but got in at 230, right around here. Right here, and it popped up to here. I took some out at 251, and then all the way back down, basically flat on. And this typically is what happens to a lot of these little bios. The only wrinkle in this is that look at this candle here. And remember, this is green here, but this is green all the way up here. It looked like, look at this topping tail. It looked like it had taken out the pre-market high, and it looked like it might have a big resumption. And wait till you see the daily chart. You're going to see why. I got pretty excited. I thought, okay, I might hop right back into this. I was going to wait for the second break at 250. It just didn't happen, and then it just has faded for the rest of the day. It is now starting to come back up again, and has to be watched tomorrow. Because take a look at the daily chart. You're going to be exactly. Look at this. I mean, look at this potential void fill. There's nothing above it. So, I mean, there's a little spike There's nothing. I thought this was the spike. This is just a volume bar. So there's really nothing stopping this. So I will watch this tomorrow. I mean, because look at the gap. You just have to look at the gap and be kind of excited about it. So now, I'm just watching the Cali. I just sold some more Cali as it's pulled back. So I really don't have very much left, but over 220 on the last part. Because, can't keep going up forever. But this is the Cali. So on this pullback, I just sold some right around here. So that's it. Let's see, what else did I do? Let's see. Oh, Fred. Fred was a quick Holly trade. She worked out not too badly. The alert was just over 13. I got in at 13.11, right around here. And when I say it didn't work out too badly, I mean, it didn't rip up too much, but it did get up to 13.46. I wish I could say I sold it right at the top here, but it was very quick. Actually sold at actually 13.26 and 13.22, so it didn't work out that well. But this is also the 200-day moving average right there. That line right there is a 200-day moving average. So yes, it did pop above it, but it looks like it's having a bit of a tough time getting through it. Earnings are tomorrow, I believe, after the market closes, I believe. So anyway, that was the other trade. And that is just about it. Yeah. So not trading as much. I'm loving it. Next week, probably won't trade very much at all. Next week is our test drive. Test drive. A lot of people ask us. I'd love to. Do you have any live demos? And no, we have the demo, but it's 15 minutes delayed and it doesn't have all the features. Doesn't have Holly. Doesn't have charts. Doesn't have a lot of things. So next week is your opportunity to test drive us with everything, all the features of Trade Ideas, everything live, the whole bit. Costs you $8.88, and it'll be live from Monday to Thursday next week. Friday's a holiday and market holiday, and then also on the following Monday. So you will have 5 trading days. I am told that if you sign up, and you'll see the sign up link in the email that you get with this YouTube video, you will see that there's a sign up. You'll actually be able to activate your account at around 4:30 Friday afternoon. Okay? So I would encourage you to do that, and so that you can play around with it all weekend, get a little accustomed to it so that, Monday morning it's not completely new to you. All right. Well, thanks very much for listening. Another exciting day in the room, and I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Again, I'll open the room about 10 to 9. I'm going to give myself another 5 minute break. Usually open at quarter, about 10 to 9 Eastern time, and get live on the mic at 9. So hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.